Next. So, guys, if there is a correction there, we are going to, okay? So I can send it to your address. If there is a correction. Alright? Or I can send to you, but I will send it to you. Alright? Next. You go first. Okay. The person who always get hurt. No? Let's go with through Johnny Canela. Congratulations. Jude. Yan, tingnan mo na dito. Sa yan,
Woo!